Today, a news source from Dubai has released two quick unboxing videos, one featuring the white Galaxy Buds 3 and the other showcasing the gray model. Both versions are identical, with the only difference being their color. Let's take a look. Samsung hasn't officially unveiled the Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro yet, but a buyer has already managed to acquire a pair. This individual shared several pictures on Reddit, showcasing the earbuds, the charging case, and the packaging. The images provide a high-resolution look at the new earbuds, highlighting their sleek design and eye-catching blade lights. The charging case has also undergone a redesign, complementing the new earbuds' stylish appearance. According to the buyer, the Buds 3 Pro deliver impressive bass, which is more pronounced compared to previous models, and their noise cancellation capabilities are on par with the first-generation Apple AirPods Pro. That's just their personal opinion, and we'll need to test the earbuds ourselves to see how they perform. The Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are expected to be available for pre-order in most markets on July 10, coinciding with their official unveiling. Samsung might also offer the Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro for free when purchasing the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Sales are anticipated to begin in the latter half of this month, although an exact date hasn't been confirmed yet. If you're in the US, you can reserve a $50 credit to use towards your purchase. You can sign up with your name and email address via this link to receive a $50 credit. This credit can be used towards purchasing the upcoming devices at a discount from Samsung's official store. Additionally, signing up will automatically enter you into a sweepstakes contest, where the winner will receive a $5,000 credit, allowing them to acquire nearly all of the new devices for free. The event is scheduled to begin at 3 p.m. CEST, 6 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 6:30 p.m. EST.
Start now.
Explore a new genre.
Change your angle a bit.
Or flip it completely.
Ride a different wave.
Start over anywhere.
Break barriers.
Don't hesitate. Just go for it. Open that door. Unfold your story.